Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2026. And we are here at 8229 West 89th Street, Hickory Hills, Illinois. And we are performing a requested attempted repair on this shingle right here, labeled Shingle 1. And in order to remove this shingle number 1, we must remove this shingle and remove this shingle to get the nails out of Shingle 1. So we must remove Shingle 2 and Shingle 3 in order to remove Shingle 1. I'm using a roof snake, which is preferred and requested through insurance. And I will now begin this attempted repair. As you can see, I'll go in 2 fingers as gentle as possible, attempting to lift it up. And as you can see already, we have granulate loss, point of failure right here. I'm going as gentle as possible up. Here's another point of failure right there. Continue. I'm trying to lift this and another point of failure right there. In the process of trying to unseal this shingle right here. And another point of failure right here on this shingle right here. So alone on Shingle 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 points of failure on Shingle 1. 4 points of failure. And that's on Shingle 1 alone. I will begin to attempt to remove these 2 shingles, labeled Shingle 2 and Shingle 3. Now, and again, I'm going as gentle as possible. And another point of failure on Shingle 2. Another point of failure on Shingle 2. Begin a tray at the end. And another point of failure on Shingle 2. So on Shingle 2 alone, we have 3 points of failures. 1, 2, and 3. We will now begin on Shingle 3. In total alone, in Shingle 1 and 2 alone, we have 7 points of failure. 4 on Shingle 1, 3 on Shingle 2. So now we will begin on Shingle 3. Again, going as gentle as possible. There's another rip right there. Another tear into the shingle. There we go. And another point of failure right there on Shingle 3. Looks like we got some more. A little bit of a tear. Shingle 3. And due to the shingle being sealed, in the process of trying to unseal it, no matter how gentle you are, the shingle has another point of failure. So in total now, just in Shingle 1 alone, we have 4 points of failure. That's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4, just in Shingle 1 alone. So now on Shingle 2, as we went over, there's 1, 2, and 3, just in Shingle 2. That's 7 in total so far. Now in Shingle 3, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's in total 11 points of failure. 11 points of failure. This attempted repair has failed. We will no longer continue.